Welcome to this how-to video for the DJI GS Pro unlocking process. Open the DJI Go 4 app, click on Me in the bottom right. Check the DJI account name. Then return to the main screen. Click Start Flight. Tap the map in the bottom right corner to check your airspace. On your web browser, go to DJI.com and log in to your account. After you have logged in, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Under the Support heading, click Fly Safe. Scroll down and click Unlock a Zone. Read and agree to the DJI terms. You will see a drop-down to select a model. Choose Phantom 4 Pro. In the map search box, type the address of the location to be flown. Select the pin associated with your location. Input your dates for unlocking. Now you will need your flight controller serial number. You can find this in the DJI Go 4 app. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner. A menu will pop up. Scroll to the bottom and click About. This is where you will find your flight controller serial number. Now resume your no-fly zone application on your browser. Enter your flight controller serial number. Click Submit. Check the boxes and click Proceed. Choose Mobile for your verification method. Choose your country and input your mobile number. Read and agree to the terms of service and click Send. Input your verification. Click Verify. Click Proceed. Now open DJI Go 4 app. Click on Me in the bottom right. Choose More from the menu. Under My Unlock NFC application, you'll find your request. Navigate to the main screen and click Start Flight. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner. Choose Unlocking License from the menu. Click Import to Aircraft. A notice will pop up telling you the sync was successful. Tap Aircraft to turn on your unlocking request. Then follow the on-screen prompts. Go to your iPad home screen and then open the DJI GS Pro app. Begin your flight planning. Before your flight, tap Unlock No Fly Zone. Select Yes, then Start to Fly.